Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going through how to update our course images. If you saw my previous video in how to create your course thumbnail, that it works for all platforms, now we're going to be going through in Clickfunnels how we can update a thumbnail to our courses. So we logged into our Clickfunnels account, and on the left side, you're going to go to courses. It's when you already have a course. If you don't have it, you can add it in the add apps. You can then add courses. And after we go into courses in here, we're going to look for whatever course we have. So I have this one that I'm working on called cookies. And I have two ways to do that update. I can go all the way to the right and I have a gear icon. You're going to see that it says edit settings. If I click in there, let me move myself. You're going to see the image right here. So you can just go and click change. And after you change it, you scroll down and you click update course. The other way, let me click X, is that if you actually click in to get into that course, you have also, let me move myself, a settings icon right here. You can click settings and you're gonna see it, same thing pop up. So then we actually created a cookie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go change and I'm gonna look for that cookies. You see, courses thumbnail, and I have cookies. And I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna click update. And that's how we update our thumbnail for the course. If it will be that you wanna put an image in a lesson or in a module, it's very similar. When we go into the module, you see it right here. We click the three little dots and we're gonna click edit module. And we have a very similar location where we can click here, thumbnail image, expand, and we can select our cookies images for them or the image for that module. And it will update the module image. If I want to update the image specifically in the lesson, again, in the lesson, I can again go into edit lesson. This will actually open the lesson. Let me move myself a little bit. And you see right here on the left, you're gonna see that it says select image. You can then go into select image and you're gonna have all your images that you can select in there without a problem. So there you have it, my friends. That is how you can actually update your thumbnail in your Clickfunnels course. We'll see you in my next video.